Cool ways how to lace your Nike Air Force Ones. This is how your Air Force Ones come. They come in the dead stock knot. This is one way you guys can wear them. So you factory lace it all the way up, and then the knot. Let's do the knot. The knot is the most important thing. Let's go ahead and undo this knot, and let's do what's known as the factory knot, also known as the dead stock knot. So to do this, make sure the laces are the same length. Take one finger and wrap these two laces around your one finger, just like that. You can hold it together with your finger. You're basically creating a hole with your finger. So now you take your finger out, take the two laces and go into the hole and pull through, and just like that, you now have the dead stock knot. That is one way, and definitely the easiest way, the cleanest way. You really can't go wrong with this classic look. This is how they come from Nike. This next way on how to lace your Nike Air Force Ones, another cool way that I like to do often. I do this a lot with just a lot of my sneakers in general. So you lace them up all the way normal, go out then in, out then in, out then in. Then make sure you put it through the tongue if you want to. I do recommend putting it through the tongue tab here because it'll keep the tongue in place, especially with what I usually do on a lot of my sneakers besides the Nike Air Force One. So the first thing I like to do is pull through. You have one lace left at the top. When you're at the very top or below, depending on how loose you want them to be, this will make your sneakers loose and tuck the laces. You're not going to even see the laces. So you did all the way up to the top. You have your very top lace ready to go. Instead of going across and going through and you leave your laces out like that, instead of going through like that and leaving it out, what I like to do is actually go inside, and this allows you to tuck the laces completely. So let me show you. Go through, and now you could actually tuck your laces inside the sneaker, and trust me, when you're wearing them, it's not uncomfortable. You're not even gonna notice that the laces are there. Boom. And now you completely tuck the laces in. Your shoes are not even tied. The tongue shows, and you have plenty of room, and it's nice and loose when you're wearing them. This is a great way. I do this with a lot of my sneakers. So it's usually, for me, I like to go either the factory knot or no knot at all, nice and loose, and really show the tongue off. Whichever method you prefer, make sure that when you're lacing your laces, you do go out then in, out then in, out then in along the whole way up, and make sure you go through the tongue tag as well. Go out then in, and then depending on what you want to do at the last step, these are two great ways to wear your Nike Air Force Ones. And these are two cool ways how I lace my Nike Air Force Ones. These are straight fire. First step is you want to make sure that the laces are the same length. You want to make sure that the Air Force One little debris is facing outwards, not towards you, but outwards when you're wearing them. Make sure it's in the middle, centered, and the laces are the same length. Now, to determine which side to start on, the easiest way to do it is to realize which sneaker it is. So this is the left shoe, which means I'm going to start off on the right side. If it was the right shoe, I would start off on the left side. Let's do it. So, to lace these, you want to make sure that they're flat, otherwise they're going to get bunched up and look pretty ugly on you. So you do not want that to happen. Take the laces and go through the hole. Take each lace and go right through and make sure that they're flat so that they don't get bunched up and nasty on you. And just keep going through all the way up. And we'll keep going, and I'll show you guys what to do towards the tag here, the little tab on the top. So right there, as you guys can see, I did mess up. I didn't go straight, so I'm going to take it out and redo it. That might happen here and there, but it's okay. Just take it out and redo it, and you should be good to go. I'm going to show you guys what to do when we get to the top. We're getting there. As you guys can see, I'm just holding it through. And for the bigger sizes, you guys do have an extra hole. I am a 10.5 or an 11. These are a 10.5. So these do have an extra hole compared to smaller sizes. So this is a bigger size. This is a 10.5. And right here, there is an extra hole. Bigger sizes have an extra hole. So right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going for the 5th hole. This is where you want to put the laces right through the tongue tag there. So let's do it. And just like that, we have it nice and smooth, nice and everything looking flat. Now let's finish up these last 2 holes and then we'll get to the top and make our decision on how we want to lace them. We have 2 holes left at the top. From here, you can make your decision if you want to basically do something like this, where you leave it loose, nice and loose, the tongue showing, or you could tie it. There's so many things you can do, or just go another hole. For this, I'm going to go through another hole, and I'm going to show you what Nike does. One more at the top again, pull through, and we're going to do the dead stock knot to top this off. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, smash that like button, and make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. Smash that like button for me right now. If you guys can get this video up to 1,000 likes, I'm going to give away a pair of Nike Air Force Ones. All you guys got to do to enter this giveaway is get this video to 1,000 likes. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button right now. Join the Moore family. Comment down below. Let me know your size in the Nike Air Force One. And then take a picture, take a screenshot, DM me proof on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. Good luck on this giveaway. Let's get this video to 1,000 likes. I hope you guys enjoyed this lacing video. If you did, let me know down below in the comments and I'll make more videos just like this. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. We're always dropping that fire, straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.